Poppin' family, it's the one and only, your friend, your homie, Juice. We back at it with another one. So we're getting to something very interesting tonight. Machine Gun Kelly, Cordae, Doja Freestyle. I haven't listened to Machine Gun Kelly in God knows how long, but y'all do know I rocks with Cordae. And I used to rock with Machine Gun Kelly. I heard he's into some alternative shit, but I'm excited to hear him spit some bars because the dude could actually rap. So let me shut up and let's get to the bars. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, let's get to it.
In the homie's backyard right now. Today we have Cordae stepping into the cypher.
What's Gucci?
How can I be Homo sapien? I'm high as an alien. Both of my lungs are in training. I'm burning pounds, but not inside a gymnasium.
Ooh.
This off the cranium. This is a nuclear weapon.
Hold on. Both of my lungs are in training. I'm burning pounds, but not inside a gymnasium. Okay, Machine Gun. He's not bullshitting. He's starting this off quick. Is this a freestyle?
An alien. Both of my lungs are in training. I'm burning pounds, but not inside a gymnasium. This off the cranium. This is a nuclear weapon. My bars are uranium. I'm spit fire. This must be House of the Dragons. I'm a Targaryen. I don't deal with pussies. I'm not a veterinarian. I might educate and slap a pussy boy like a disciplinarian.
Okay.
I got a lot of skater homies that'll hit a ramp and do a varial. I got a lot of mob ties. Put you up under the sea with Ariel. I got syrup in my cereal.
Yeah.
I blow an O like a Cheerio.
Okay.
I shook his hand but didn't like his vibe, so I use antibacterial. I'm too sick of venereal. But I must be a disease because the weight of my competition keep on trying but dying. I'm telling you, this is a burial. There you go, laying 6 feet while I stand 6'6", and these new kicks sitting in a double R with a double X roof print. Cigar on my mouth with the cover of the blueprint. This weapon interior is animalistic. My middle finger is a characteristic. You hear this voice in my lower intestine? It's my competition. I'm cannibalistic. How can I be Homo sapien? I'm a fucking alien. How the fuck could you say that I fell off? I just sold out a stadium. Crazy I didn't have a date to prom, cause now I'm like, look who I'm marrying. I came out of Cleveland and now the time zone I'm in is Australian. Wait, last week it was London, had scapped out at the function. Wembley in a shutdown pre-show when we backstage and you know we'll be crumbling. Stepped out cause the man them
Hey, Cordae, he's not bullshitting with you, my boy. I don't know when he's gonna pass you the baton, but the bar has been set high. This is a characteristic, my guy. The leopard print inside of my car is animalistic. Like, he is spitting. Like, it's like he's trying to put Cordae in the bag before Cordae can even shoot back. Like, this is fire. He is not bullshitting. Hey, yo, man, and then y'all hearing that to my UK rappers? My UK rappers, my UK listeners, viewers. Fam, do y'all hear the accent? He's trying to pull a J. Cole from London and Bia. He's hitting with the accent. Now, y'all tell me how accurate, is it valid with what he's about to do? Let's get to it, man.
London had scapped out at the function. Wembley in a shutdown pre-show when we backstage and you know we'll be crumbling. Stepped out cause the man them thought he was a big dog, so I had to sun him. Test me and they spray like jet skis, turn it to a dance off, make them start crumping.
How can I be misogynistic? I love all my bitches. Grandma used to whoop a nigga with switches. That was way before the switches. I was just talking to Kels and he told me pull up at the crib, he gon' throw on the beat. You could be born in my fucking Antarctica. Promise that nigga ain't colder than me. I was just talking to God and he told me I got it. Don't worry, it's all taken care of. Y'all niggas stay on the blogs, I stay on the rise, so please just do not compare us. I'm from the city where niggas gon' make you pay tears. Them niggas trapped like the sheriff. Promise my whole family good if a nigga gon' perish. They in my wood like a Ferris. Ayy, hop in the coupe when in London. I'm on football so can't properly function. Ayy, I buy real estate when niggas is bored. Then my monopoly jumping. Ayy, real music may not get the awards, but you cannot stop the consumption. Ayy, go outside, think you don't need a strap. That was a sloppy assumption. Ayy, I know I'm far from a gangster. Rest in peace, Juice, that boy armed and he dangerous.
Yes.
Bro, but I call you an angel. My dick so long that shit fall to my ankles. Ayy, stop playing, boy, I'm done with the jokes. The album trash that you drop for them folks. Disappointed, but I'm proud of my coat. I'm coming soon, we unlocking the vote.
Disappointed, but I'm proud of my coat. That's tough.
That felt good.
Hey, this was nasty. I wish Cordae had a little bit more to go, but this was nasty. Like this is hip hop in its purest form. I don't know if this was a freestyle or not, but this was wholesome, wholehearted, fire. Just two dudes on the beat, kicking rhymes. This is fire. I enjoy this. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this too. Let me know in the comments below what y'all think of both dudes. And yeah, see y'all next time.